Welcome to an NZ Tradie video. One way or another, you've got here. I started making a video, but it was going to be a little long after some wise words to keep it short and sweet. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So, pretty quick and easy. You can use either the rechargeable lithium battery or 6 AA's. Loading the cartridges in are just as easy as that. I'm going to put the one that I use the most, which is a 12mm black on white tape in there. Close it up, turn it on. Now the two functions I use the most are the set label length and this block length. The set label length I went through in my short a little bit how to use. You also have all these extra little functions down here that you can add icons in, like the little earth, which you'll see here. You can also do things for asset management like barcodes and things like that, which you would access through the app on your phone. Setting up any of the functions is fairly easy. You can go here and click your font size, which I generally would set on auto or perhaps 12. You then click OK to get out of that. If you click an option of what you want for a label, but you don't actually want that label, you can click escape or just OK, will bring you back to this menu. The two that I use the most of is the set label length here and this patch panel one, which I use for switchboards. So the patch panel one, click on that, you add in how big you want your blocks to be. 18 mils is good for an MCB, 5 blocks long, so if you're RCD, gap, power light, or whatever you have. And then here you can pick what kind of borders you would like. I generally go for the dot at the top and dot at the bottom. You can also change the orientation. If you have text that is previously in from another label, you can easily just click this X and delete the text only, not the format. If you delete the format, it will take you back to a standard label. Then we can go RCD, skip a spot with these arrows here. Just like that. You can print one, or you can press your shift key down the bottom here, then click print, and you can print two. Now this label maker is slightly more expensive than some of the other ones that you might get at J. Russell's or your local wholesaler, but this is the second one I've had. The first one got a little bit battle worn, but it is definitely worth the extra cost. Now see, if you had to put this on an auto font, you'd find the RCD would be a lot larger than the power and light, and so this has kept it all the same. And here is our second one. If you print it like that, instead of printing two separate, you get less wastage because you always get that first piece of the print that is not used. Now you can go back to a set length, let's go 60, and you can see all our words are still in there. We're just going to delete the text. Go down here, you can go into a punctuation or you can go to your history. So I'll go to history, we're going to go at NZ Tradie, and we'll add ourselves a nice little earth symbol after it. And then you can print that also. This printer really just brings all of your prints to the next level. So there you go, real easy. You can go from printing those to these in no time. You can also do cable labels, more patch panel options, and you can print on this heat shrink tape that they've got as well, which I'm going to start using for my DC strings on solar. So all in all, it's a bit more expensive, but definitely worth that extra bit of money. I'm happy to answer any other questions in the comments that you might have. Other than that, hit a like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow for more from an NZ Tradie.